Hi, I'm Sangeeta Krishnan and I welcome you on behalf of Jagan Josh to this week's video. So first I'll be taking you through the main headlines of the week, then I'll be coming to the main topic of discussion for today. The main headlines of the week are: Cricket Australia bans Steve Smith and David Warner for a year. The recent ball tampering row has incited heavy punishment from Cricket Australia, with the cricketing body slapping 1 year ban each on Australian captain Steve Smith and vice captain David Warner. Supreme Court rules interference by Khap Panchayat in marriages as absolutely illegal. The Supreme Court of India on 27 March 2018 termed the interference by illegal assemblies such as Khap Panchayat in marriages of two consulting adults as absolutely illegal. US, Canada and European Union nations expel over 100 Russian diplomats. Following the poisoning of Russian spy in the United Kingdom, more than 21 nations led by the United States of America have announced the expulsion of over 100 Russian diplomats on 26 March 2018. International Solar Alliance and India signed headquarters agreement. The agreement will enable the International Solar Alliance to establish its headquarters in India, the host country, to discharge its functions and programs. Karnataka government approves separate religious tag for Lingayats. The State Cabinet of Karnataka on 19 March 2018 decided to recognize Lingayats as a religious minority and also decided to include the Veerashaivas as a part of the community. So this is the topic that I would be discussing in detail with you today. So the State Cabinet made the approval based on the recommendations given by the HN Nagamohan Das Committee. The proposal has now been sent to the Union Government for final approval. So let us first understand who are the Lingayats. The Lingayats are basically followers of the 12th century social reformer called Basaveshwara, who rebelled against the established Hindu tradition by defying the caste system and the Vedic rituals. The people of the community are basically monotheists. They worship only one god, the Linga or Shiva, in the form of Ishtalinga. The community considers themselves different from Veerashaivas, which is another Shaivite tradition, as they follow the Vedas and support the caste system. On the other hand, Veerashaivas consider themselves an ancient religion which was established by Lord Shiva himself. So coming to why this move is significant, especially for the upcoming Karnataka elections. First and foremost, the Lingayats are politically very powerful. Though the community constitutes just 17% of Karnataka's total population, they are dominant in more than 100 among the 224 state assembly seats, especially in northern Karnataka. Also, previously 9 chief ministers of the state have belonged to the community. Coming to the background, though the demand for separate religious tag for the community started as far back as 1942, it was resurrected again in 2017 by the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who promised to look into the demands and come out with a fitting solution. In December 2017, the Karnataka state government formed a 7-member expert committee called the HN Nagamohan Das Committee to look into these demands. The committee submitted its report on 2nd March 2018, recommending a separate religious tag for the Lingayats, and it also added that the Veerashaivas can be made a part of the religion. So with this, I conclude my topic for today. Please like and comment if you like our video. You can also visit our website www.jaganjosh.com for more updates and download our Jagan Josh Current Affairs app to stay connected.